Early morning in Twickenham are not so much a rugby game as a drain game. Joe and Danny are playing in the scrum. How to tackle this one? It's obvious. Blast it with water. A local fire hydrant is brought into action.
Daniel, ready? Yeah, go on, mate. Fill it up. This sort of time of year, we have to dump the water off every night because it's cold and the water can freeze in the tank. So we have to dump it off. And then basically, it doesn't take long to fill it up in the morning anyway.
Hero Joe knows his stuff.
Oh, damn. Come to look at you, Sue. Is that all right? OK, thank you.
Hey.
Lovely. What do you think, Dan? Should we jet it or rod it?
No, could we go for a bit of jetting? It looks pretty thick and nasty, doesn't it? So
yeah, a
give
bit
it
like yourself.
Thanks, mate.
Hose it is. High-pressure water jetted into the drain usually does the trick.
Hey! All right, Dan, go on, mate.
But there's a risk. Turn the pressure too high and Bob's not your uncle. Look out, Joe.
Dan! Turn it down.
All right.
Down, you ditch.
Dan, left hand down a bit. Whoa there, Dan. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Too late.
Well, it's Danny turned the pressure up a little bit too high on the jet. I said to you, nice and slow, Dan, but oh no, Danny, just straight up and cover me. I said, turn it just slowly.
It was. He said 1500.
It's like they pouring out everywhere.
Joe the hero battles on.
Put a bit of water behind it and it would push all the paper along. Go on, Dan, plunge it, son.
And the try has been converted.
Looking good. Got there.